Okay, today we're going to review the levels of organization. First, we're going to start with the smallest unit for matter is the atom today. So we're going to make the sign language A for atom, and atoms combine. Here's two atoms combine to make a molecule. Molecules combine, if we add other elements, they combine to make compounds. So with your friend, go ahead and put your hands together. Your two molecules combine to now make a compound if there are other elements involved. Next, I want you to take a biochemistry leap with me, and if all those compounds are working together, they can form organelles. Organelles are small organs that are within the cells. Cells that have the same job are referred to as tissues. And so here are two hands representing cells, and they're doing the same job to represent a flat tissue. Tissues combine to make organs, and you put your hands over your stomach to represent is an example of an organ. Organs combine to make an organ system, and we're going to bracket our body and put our hand near our mouth and our hand near our hip to bracket where in the body our digestive system is, since the stomach is part of the digestive system. So we have organ systems. Organ systems combine to make an organism, and you're going to hug the best organism you know, which is yourself. Organisms that are in a group that are the same species we call a population. We do this for population and make eye contact with each other because we are the same species. And then species that are in a group that are multiple species we call a community. So make your hearts, just like Instagram, and you break them apart and there's C's, and we include everybody. So everybody that is in a different species is part of our community. So the communities are all combined with multiple species. If we go beyond that and add the abiotic and biotic factors to our communities, we call it an ecosystem. To show the ecosystems, we put one hand on us because we are a biotic factor, and we hit the desk to show the abiotic factors. So if we have biotic and abiotic factors, then we have a ecosystem. Ecosystems are somewhere on our globe. Either they're in the ocean or the forest or the desert, and those are our biomes. So multiple ecosystems can exist in a biome. So you either stomp your feet or tap your hands like a drum roll to show this is where we are in the earth, and that is our biome. And if we combine all the biomes, the earth and the atmosphere, then we have the biosphere, and we hold the whole biosphere in our hands. So then we have a biosphere that is made of biomes, where we are in the world. So tap your feet or your hands. And then our biomes are made of ecosystems, where we have abiotic and biotic factors. Ecosystems are made of communities, which are groups of organisms of multiple species. Communities are made of populations, which are groups of organisms in the same species. Populations are made of organisms, which is the best one you know is yourself. Okay. Organisms are made of organ systems, and we're going to bracket our digestive system as the example. Organ systems are made of organs, which we put our hands on our stomach to represent our organs. Organs are made of tissues. Remember, they are cells that are doing the same job, or the tissues. Tissues are made of cells. And so here we're just holding a little cell, or representation of a cell. Cells are made of organelles, which are small, tiny organs inside the cell that are very busy. Organelles are made of compounds, which are molecules with multiple elements. And compounds are made of molecules, and molecules are made of atoms. I hope this helps. See you next time.